Jai Hind. My name is Atharv Jaiswal from class 10, Sunbeam School Varuna, and I am going to tell you about the physics behind the working of smartphone. Let's assume you speak. The first thing that exists is your voice. When you speak, you are not sending words through the air, you are sending sound waves. Question: what is sound? Sound is simply vibrations traveling through air. Imagine hitting a drum. The drum vibrates, those vibrations move through the air. Your mouth does exactly the same thing. So when you say hello, your vocal cords vibrate and create waves in the air. These waves reach the phone. They reach the microphone. Now think about this. The phone cannot understand air vibrations. It only understands electricity. So the microphone acts like a translator. Imagine two people, an English speaker and a Japanese speaker. They need a translator to communicate. Similarly, air vibrations travel to microphone and microphone converts them into electrical signals. Inside the microphone is a tiny flexible sheet called diaphragm. When sound hits it, it vibrates exactly like your eardrum. Those vibrations become tiny electrical signals. Now the phone understands. Why convert into electricity? Because every electronic device works only with electricity. Processor, memory, battery all understand electrical signals, not sound. Then the sound is finally converted into electrical and electrical to digital. Why convert into digital? Electricity is continuous. Computers hate continuous information. They only understand 0 and 1. Think of a light switch. On is equal to 1. Off is equal to 0. Every phone works using billions of these tiny on and off signals. So the phone converts your voice into millions of 0, 1, 0, 1, etc. This process is called analog to digital conversion. Now imagine your friend is 500 kilometers away. Can electricity travel through air? No. So the phone places those digital numbers onto radio waves. Radio waves are invisible electromagnetic waves exactly like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, TV signals, FM radio. Same family. They all travel at the speed of light around 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters every second. This is why calls happen almost instantly. These signals reach the cell tower. Imagine the tower as post office. You don't send a letter directly to your friend, you send it to post office. The post office forwards it exactly the same. Phone to the nearest tower, to your friend's nearest tower, then to your friend's phone. Now your friend's phone receives it. Now your friend's phone receives that digital signal 0101 etc. But humans cannot hear numbers. So it reverses everything. That digital signal to electricity, that electricity to sound. The speaker vibrates. Those vibrations create airwaves. Your friend ears hear hello. Notice something amazing. Your actual voice never traveled. Only information about your voice traveled. Now let's talk about the display. Now let's understand the screen. Look closely at any TV. If you zoom enough, you will see tiny dots. These are called pixels. Think of each pixel as tiny colored bulb. Each pixel actually contains red, green, blue. By changing how bright each color is, they can create millions of colors. For example, red plus green gives you yellow, red plus blue gives you purple, all three give you white, no light gives you black. Thousands of these pixels come together to form an image. Thank you and Jai Hind.